Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, and welcome back to the channel. And today I want to talk about how to earn $300 per day just by typing in names. Actually, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to reveal the truth about typing in names. As you know, there's many videos out there that have hundreds of thousands of views showing you that you can make up to $300 per day typing names. We're going to go into this website. Specifically, you've probably heard of it. It's called SquadHelp.com. I'm going to show you if this site is really legitimate and if it works and if there's actually better options out there. So if you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And go ahead and give me a like if you're excited for this video. On this channel, we teach people how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into my laptop and get into detail here about how this works. So here we are on squadhelp.com. A lot of you guys have seen this website, but essentially what it does is it connects people that are creative with actual business owners that are looking to have logos created, have a tagline created, have their brand created. This is where they go to have those creatives done. So you can be, number one, you could be a brand that wants to get your name out there, that wants to create a tagline, an idea, or you could be the creative person that wants to give that brand the idea. So if you're somebody that believes that you're more of a creative person, you're somebody that likes to do graphic design, you like to create logos, you like to come up with different names and taglines for certain businesses, then I would suggest becoming a creative. Now, the only problem with this as somebody that's a creative is that you have to consistently enter into new competitions and you have to be able to perform because you're not just competing against, a couple people, but you're competing against thousands upon thousands of different people. But the good thing is you can make pretty good money doing it. So you can see right here, Lumo Brands, $100, Ballyhoo, $200. You have this person, $100, 100, 150, 100, 200, 300, 300, 200, 250, 150. So it looks like it's ranging on average between $100 to $300. Now, if you're somebody that is really willing to do something like this and enter into a lot of contests, this can work extremely well. But if there's not a lot of brands out there that are submitting a bronze up to a managed level, then you're not going to have as many chances to actually win when it comes to SquadHelp. So can this help you make money here and there? Yes, of course it can. But you got to realize you're going to be competing against a lot of other creative people that have been on this website for a while, that have already won a few contests. And so if you're willing to actually go out there and do the work, I would take it a step further. If you're somebody that knows how to create a brand, you know how to create a logo, then you might as well go ahead and do it yourself because you don't know how long SquadHelp is going to be around. It could be around for the next 2 weeks. It could be around for the next 2 years. But as soon as this website goes down, you're going to be looking for more freelancing work you're going to be competing with people on Upwork.com. You're going to be competing with people on Elance or whatever website it may be, and you're going to be starting from zero again. What I teach, and this isn't just another pitch or another, ploy to get you into buying my products or my services, but I believe in genuinely building a long-term brand and building a foundation. And that's what I've done for the past few years on my YouTube channel is I've built a brand. I've been the creative director. I've been the action taker. I've been the one shooting the content. And so if you're somebody that's willing to go the extra mile to do something like this, you can take those talents, those skills. Why not go the extra mile and build your own passive income stream by leveraging the power of online marketing? And specifically what I teach is affiliate marketing. So I show people how to sell other people's products online and earn money passively doing that. Let me explain, right? When you go out there and you submit your work on a website like squadhelp.com, you're going to have some people that like your work. You might win a few prizes, but you're having to still trade time for money. What if you could put up a piece of content, say it's this video, or you can put up a blog post, and people could be searching for that content every single day passively on YouTube or on Google. What could that do for you? So having content that lives on the internet forever is the way that you obtain true freedom and true fulfillment in your life. Now, if you want to go with SquadHelp, by all means do it. This could be a great starting point for you, but I want you to be able to kind of see the big picture here is what I'm trying to say. And if you could see that, you'll see the opportunity. And what I want to do is I want to jump to one of my income streams really quickly. I'm going to go to the dashboard right here. And you can actually see just in the past year almost, it's actually been less than a year. November 20th, I started this brand new campaign selling somebody else's product. So they take care of all the sales material. They take care of setting up the websites. They take care of the product. All you need to do is use your brand, use your influence that you would otherwise create on SquadHelp, and use that to build a following and send those people directly to different offers that they're already interested in. And that's what I do every day on my YouTube channel. You can go back throughout my videos, including this video. I have products that I promote in the description, and you can feel free to check those out at any time. But my products entail teaching people how to build their own affiliate marketing business that is sustainable long term. Trust me, I've tried so many different opportunities out there that were here today, gone tomorrow, made a little bit of money, but then all of a sudden I woke up the next day wondering what to do next. The cool thing about passive income like this, as you can see, $160,000 that I've made since November 20th, 2018. Now, this isn't a guarantee that you're going to be able to just make this money right out of the gate. It took consistency. I spent about an hour or two a day creating content, helping people out there online start their own online business. And you can realistically do this in any niche, but you can do it by selling other people's products. So again, taking the same knowledge that you have up here, building your own brand instead of building somebody else's. And I've done things in the past that were like survey sites, that were, sweepstakes. I've tried it all, and you make a little bit of money here and there, but I know most of you guys are looking for something that's long-term. I know there's tons of different screenshots out there of, money being made. So I want to show you another, site, which is called Stripe. This is one of my merchant accounts. You can see today, $25, yesterday, $25. If I go to the year to date, you can see $197,000 just from this one income stream. And this is just one income stream. And if I go to month to date, you can see over $7,000 month to date. Last month, over $8,000. So, in certain income streams, I have months where I do 8,000. I have months where I do 40, 50,000. I have months that I do even more money than that. And this isn't about showing you how cool I am, but it's showing you the possibilities that yes, this can be a starting point and you can start winning these contests, but you can also take that same energy and that same work and put it into an affiliate marketing business where you can put up a piece of content once and it'll pay you passively. I mean, go back to my YouTube channel, the other videos in this channel, people are watching them at 2 a.m. You might be watching this in the morning, at night, in the middle of the day. Well, I'm not actually there talking to you in reality. It's recorded. But people are still clicking the links in the description of my videos, which is how I make money. So when somebody goes to the description, they click on one of those links, they go through that sales process, they buy, I make money. I also make money on the front end by people just watching ads before my videos play. So a lot of people think that YouTube is just about making money from putting out content and making money from the clicks on ads, but it's not. Most of the money is actually made on the back end. So I obviously don't have hours upon hours to go through that in this video. If you want to learn more about it, go ahead and click the link below. And I want to teach you how to start your own affiliate marketing business and then eventually even create your own products and build a true passive income source. So what you'll notice on most videos that are teaching you how to make $300 per day is that they're teaching you the strategy, but they're not actually doing it themselves. They've got other products they're promoting in the description of their videos, which I always say, watch what people do, not what they say. So why go do what they're teaching when they're doing something completely different and they haven't actually won some of these contests, right? So just something to think about. Hope you got value from this video. If you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, go ahead and click the link in the description. Like this video if you got value, and comment. Have you tried SquadHelp? Have you had any success? What have you had success with out there on YouTube? I want to help you avoid all the shiny object syndrome, because I know you go to one channel and they're teaching you a million different ways to make money, but the way that they're really making money is through their products and through monetizing the description of their videos, right? So it works. If you want to learn it, click the link below in the description. We'll see you on the next page. And don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell icon if you want to receive more videos on how to generate wealth and build a business that you love. Take care.